Hi, everybody. First of all, I would like to thank the Generation 4 Forum for this great opportunity. My name is Alessio Magni, and I'm PhD candidate in Politecnico di Milano in collaboration with the Enea Brasimone Research Center. And I'm here to present you the topic of my PhD research work, which is the fuel performance code development and application to MOX-fueled liquid metal-cooled Generation 4 reactor concept. And I would like to start telling you about my PhD research with this beautiful picture of the PEC reactor building at the Enea Brasimone Research Center. It was under construction in the 80s as a sodium-cooled fast reactor, but then the Chernobyl accident occurred, and in Italy the nuclear program was stopped, and also the construction of this reactor was stopped. Nevertheless, my PhD research is devoted to this kind of reactor, since I focus on the nuclear fuel pin behavior on the right, in fast reactor and generation 4 irradiation conditions in the framework of a multi-scale modeling, which I show you on the left. In particular, I focus on the MOX fuel pellets and on its thermal properties, starting from the lower length scale modeling, implementing these updated novel models in mesoscale codes like Shantix, which I developed together with my group at Politecnico di Milano, and also in fuel performance codes for the integral evaluation of the nuclear fuel pin behavior at the engineering level. And in particular, I work with the Transuranus fuel performance code, which is developed by the Joint Research Center of the European Commission in Karlsruhe, Germany. This is the outline of my PhD research project. So as I was saying, I start with the modeling of thermal properties of MOX fuels, extending the current models mostly tailored on UO2 to MOX fuel, including a comprehensive set of dependencies, for example, temperature, burn-up, deviation from stoichiometry, porosity, and plutonium, and also minor actinide contents, because my work is not only devoted to uranium-plutonium MOX, but also to americium and neptunium beryllium MOX for transmutation purposes. Then, according to the multi-scale approach, I implement these models, which are inclusive of lower length scale effects in the Transuranus fuel performance code for the integral validation of the code against fast reactor irradiation experiments, including uncertainty and sensitivity analysis. And the final step is the application of Transuranus to the generation 4 irradiation conditions envisaged for the Alfred, Mirra, and Astrid reactors. So performing design assessment of fuel pins for these reactors and safety analysis in terms of compliance with the required safety limits. My PhD research work is in the framework of the INSPIRE H2020 European project, and is also connected to two just started H2020 projects, which are the PUMA one and the Patricia one. PUMA is devoted to the behavior of MOX fuel with high plutonium content, up to 40%, while Patricia is devoted to the assessment of the Mirra reactor design. Thank you for the attention. And if you liked my video, please vote me for this Generation 4 pitch competition. Thank you so much.